Mr. Plumber was founded in 1977 with one objective in mind: to provide the best professional plumbing service to all the residents of San Antonio. With us, you can have peace of mind that our technicians will be reliable, courteous, and provide timely, quality, and friendly plumbing services. Here's what some of our customers have to say about us. Dennis P. says, "We called Mr. Plumber for our commercial property to fix a couple issues in regards to water heater. The technicians, Bo and team, are skilled, and they arrived on time. We'll be happy to use Mr. Plumber again in the future." Justin Surface says, "Joseph Rodriguez was amazing. The price was a little higher than what I expected, but the service and quality I received was beyond expectations. That old saying, 'You get what you pay for,' is applicable with Mr. Plumber. I'll be using them for all future plumbing needs. Let us fix it right. Call us today for the plumbing services you need."